ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? በዛሬው ቪዲዮ ያዘጋጀሁላችሁ በሚኒስትሪ ኦፍ ሳይንስ ኤንድ ሃየር ኤዱኬሽን ለኤሌክትሪካል እና ኮምፒውተር ኢንጂነሪንግ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም የወጡ ሞዴል ጥያቄዎችን ነው።
ጥያቄ the main characteristics of Darrington amplifier are a low input impedance, low output impedance, low voltage gain, B high input impedance, high output impedance and high current gain, C low input impedance, low output impedance, high current gain, D high input impedance, low output impedance and high current gain ይላል። ከነዚህ ውስጥ ትክክለኛ መልስ የሆነው ዲ ነው። high input impedance, low output impedance and high current gain። Darlington amplifier የምንለው it is a special arrangement of two standard NPN or PNP bipolar junction transistor connected together in order to produce a more sensitive transistor with a much larger current gain. The emitter of one transistor is connected to the base of the other. So the correct answer is D. Second question, what configuration is widely preferred in cascading amplifier? A common emitter, B common base, C common source, D common emitter. In cascading amplifier, two configurations are used. Most commonly, two configurations are used: common emitter and common base. ነገር ግን ከዚህ ጥያቄ ላይ የሚለው what configuration is widely preferred in cascading amplifier? ከኮንፊግሬሽን ውስጥ widely preferred የሆነው in cascading amplifier የትኛው ነው? or ምን configuration ነው? Common emitter is widely preferred in cascading amplifier because it provides large gain. It provides or offers large gain, large value of power, current and voltage. Cascading amplifier ማለት it's a network of series connected amplifier where the output of each amplifier feeds the input to the amplifier, or a multi-stage amplifier that contains two or more than two common emitter stage is called cascading amplifier እንለዋለን። multi-stage amplifier ሆኖ ሁለት ወይም ከዚያ በላይ ኮመን ኢሚተር ኮንፊግሬሽን ወይም ስቴጆችን በአንድ ላይ የሚይዝ ካስኬድ አምፕሊፋየር ነው። Next question. Enhancement mode MOSFET are more commonly used as A capacitor, B as a buffers, C as resistors, D as switches. This enhancement mode MOSFETs is one type of MOSFET or metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So MOSFETs are used as a switch. So the answer is D. Based on the operation of principle, MOSFET is classified into two. Enhancement MOSFET and depletion MOSFET. An enhancement MOSFET stays off under normal condition, and in order to turn it on, a gate source voltage is required. Unlike an enhancement MOSFET, the depletion MOSFET starts on under normal condition and it needs a gate source voltage in order to ease off. So from here we can understand that an enhancement MOSFET used as a switch. One time at normal condition is off state, and when a gate source voltage is greater than 0, it's on state. አራተኛው ጥያቄ ስንመጣ which of the following flowchart symbol is for this session? ከሚከተሉት flowchart ውስጥ የትኛው ነው ለዲሴሽን የሚጠቅመው? A, B, C, D. A is what? Oval or pill shape. B is parallelogram shape. C, rectangle shape. D, diamond shape. ስለዚህ ከነዚህ ፍሎቻርት ሲምቦል ውስጥ ለዲሴሽን የሚጠቅመው ምንድነው? ዳይመንድ ሻፕ ነው። ዲ ነው። So the answer is D. Flowcharts use special shapes to represent different type of actions or steps in our process. For instance, peel or oval shape used as to represent start of the process or the end of the process, and the rectangle shape represents a process. It shows or it's used as a process, and the diamond shape represents a decision, and the last parallelogram represents input outputs. From here, question number 5, the simplified form of Boolean expression x plus y plus xy times bracket x plus z. A, xz plus y. B, xy plus yz. C, x plus x plus yz. D, x plus yz. The simplified form for this Boolean expression simplify ስናደርገው ይመጣልን x plus yz ነው። So the answer is D. የዚህን simplified ፎርሙ እንዴት x plus yz እንደመጣ እዚህ ላይ ማየት እንችላለን። Look, from here x plus y plus z እዚህ ጋር የመጨረሻው simplify ሲሆን የሚመጣው x plus yz እንደሆነ እዚህ ጋር ማየት ትችላላችሁ። ስድስተኛ the forward characteristics of a diode has a slope of approximately 20 milliampere per volt at a desired point. So the approximate resistance of a diode is A, 10 ampere, B, 35 ampere, C, 50 ohm, D, 20 ohm. Forward characteristics of diode ስሎፑ 20 ሚሊአምፔር ፖል ቮልት ቢሆን approximate resistance of diode ወይም change of resistance of diode ስንት ይሆናል ነው። ይህን የምንሰራው የተለያዩ አይነት ዳዮድ ሞዴሎች አሉ። እነዛ ዳዮድ ሞዴሎች circuits non-linear elements and circuit non-linear element like a diode and a diode the circuit ቢሆን እነዛን አንድና ከዛ በላይ የሆነ ዳዮድ ኤሌመንቶች ወይም non-linear ኤሌመንቶች ሊኖራሉ። ያንን circuit analyze ለማድረግ በምንጠቀማቸው ዳዮድ ሞዴሎች አሉ። ዳዮድ ሞዴልስ for instance ideal diode model, constant voltage true model, piecewise linear model. So in piecewise linear model ላይ the formal characteristics of a diode has a slope of 1 over RD. That's equivalent change of ID over change of VD. So እዚህ ጋር slope 1 over change of RD or the approximate resistance of a diode is equal to 20 milliampere per volt. Then from this R of t is equal to 1 over 20 milliampere per volt. The result is 50 ohm. Therefore the answer for this question is C, that is 50 ohm. So that's the an in-channel MOSFET with positive VGS is operating in blank A, the enhancement mode, B, saturation mode, C, cutoff, D, the depletion mode. in-channel ቅድም MOSFET ላይ ስናወራ based on the operation principle enhancement MOSFET እና depletion MOSFET አሉ። ስለዚህ depletion MOSFET የምንለው under normal condition on state ሲሆን enhancement MOSFET የምንለው ደግሞ at normal condition off ነው። ስለዚህ depletion MOSFET with positive VGS ከሆነ the depletion MOSFET is what? Under off state, which is equivalent to the enhancement MOSFET. Therefore the answer is A, that is enhancement mode. Question number 9. Or question number 8. The process of emitting photon from semiconductor material is called A, electroluminescence, B, gallium arsenide, C, gallium phosphide, D, photoluminescence. The process of emitting photon from semiconductor material is called electroluminescence. So the answer is A. Okay. When the temperature of semiconductor material is increased, its conductivity A increases, B does not change, C decreases depending on if it is P or type, D decrease. Semiconductor material ላይ ቴምፕሬቸሩ የምንጨምረው የሰሚኮንዳክተር ማቴሪያል ኮንዳክቲቪቲ ምን ይሆናል? ቴምፕሬቸሩን በምንጨምርበት ጊዜ ኮንዳክቲቪቲው ይጨምራል። ምክንያቱም ቴምፕሬቸሩ በሚጨምርበት ጊዜ the free electron in the valence band can jump to the conduction band. That means there is free movement of electron in between two conduction bands. That means from the electrons migrate from the valence band to conduction band. Thus its conductivity is increased. ቴምፕሬቸሩ ሲጨምር የሴሚኮንዳክተር ማቴሪያል ኮንዳክቲቪቲው ይጨምራል ማለት ነው። ዳይሬክት ሪሌሽን ያላቸው። 10ኛ ጥያቄ a signal x of t and its Hilbert transform is having A, the same energy spectral density, yes, A መልስ ይሆናል። B, the same amplitude spectrum, C, the same power spectral density ይሆናል። D, the same autocorrelation function. አንድ ሲግናል ኤክስ ኦፍ ቲ እና ሂልበርት ትራንስፎርሙ ያላቸው the same energy spectral density ያላቸው the same amplitude spectrum the same power spectral density ያላቸው the same autocorrelation ማለት ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር all የሚል መልስ ባይኖርም እንኳን ሁሉም መልስ ይሆናሉ so መልሱ all ነው but there is no choice that says all but here ጥያቄው ምንም ስህተት ቢኖርበትም እንኳን መልሱ ግን all ነው ስለነኛ ጥያቄ which of the following circuits in electrical engineering cannot be analyzed using Ohm's law Ohm's law በመጠቀም አናላይዝ ማናደርገው ሰርኪዩት የትኛው ነው A unilateral circuit B conductor circuit C bilateral circuit D linear circuit እዚህ ጋር unilateral circuit cannot be analyzed using Ohm's law because it allows current only in one direction. Therefore, the answer is A. The dependent source in figure below is A. Current control current source, B. Current control voltage source, C. Voltage control voltage source, D. Voltage controlled current source. እዚህ ጋር እንደምናየው put current depending on the input current. Therefore, the answer is current controlled current source. Current controlled current source ምንለው dependent source ሆኖ the output current is depending on the input current source. የሚሆን ከሆነ current controlled current source or it's a dependent source that produces an output current for the given input current. Current control voltage source ምንለው ደግሞ output voltage source በኢንፑት ከረንቱ ዲፔንድ የሚሆን ከሆነ voltage controlled voltage source ከሆነ ደግሞ the output voltage is produced or controlled depending on the inputs source voltage voltage controlled current source ምንለው ደግሞ the output current is controlled by the input voltage. እዚህ ጋር የምናየው ይሄ ነው 13ኛ the ones complement of 1011100 in base 2 is A 01001110 B 11000110 C 01000111 D 101010. In order to get the ones complement of the given binary number, simply invert the given binary number. When you invert the given binary number, look, the first given binary number is 1. When you invert this 1, it will be 0, and the second given binary number is 0, and when you invert this, it is 1. The next 311 will be at 00. So the answer is A. Which of the following store have open circuit? a circuit element with resistance approaching 0 in open circuit. This will not be true. This is not true. Circuit element with current approaching infinity, false. Circuit element with voltage approaching 0, ስህተት ነው። ዲ circuit element with resistance approaching infinity። ስለዚህ መልሱ ዲ ነው። ምክንያቱም ኦፕን ሰርኪዩት ላይ there is no current flow and it is resistance is approaching to infinity. So answer is D. የዛሬው ቪዲዮ የመጨረሻችን ጥያቄ which of the following technique is used in determining the time domain response of linear time invariant system? Time domain linear time invariant system or LTI system የሚለው ሪስፖንሱን ኦር አውትፑቱን ዲተርማይን የሚያደርግልን ቴክኒክ የትኛው ነው? እዚህ ጋር linear time invariant or LTI system ነው። A system that is both linear in time invariant is called linear time invariant system or LTI system እንለዋለን። A Fourier series, B Laplace transform, C convolution integral, D Fourier transform። እነዚህ ሁሎችም ቴክኒክ ናቸው። ነገር ግን ታይም ዶሜን አውትፑት ወይም ሪስፖንስ ኦፍ ሊኒየር ታይም ኢንቫሪያንት ሲስተምን ዲተርማይን ለማድረግ የምንጠቀምበት ቴክኒክ የትኛው ነው? በሱ ኮንቮልሽን ኢንተግራል ነው። ማለት ሲ ነው። ፎሪር ሲሪስ የምንለው is a transformation technique or a mathematical tool that transforms the time domain signal into complex into frequency domain or frequency representation. And this Fourier series is used to represent the periodic signal, whereas Fourier transform is used to represent the aperiodic signal, and it transforms the time domain into frequency domain, or it transforms the time domain signal into frequency domain signal. Both Fourier series and Fourier transform are used for continuous time as well as discrete time signal, whereas a convolution integral used to determine the time domain response of linear time invariant system. Of course, as a linear convolution is in continuous time as well as in discrete time, but here in convolution integral only used in continuous time domain response of LTI system. And the Laplace transform is only used to represent the continuous time signal. Does not use for Laplace transform. It does not use for discrete time signal. And this Laplace transform is a transformation technique or a mathematical tool that is used to transform the continuous time signal into a complex S domain. So now that is C. As I said, convolution is a mathematical tool that is used to combine two signals and to form third signal, and it relates the input signal and the impulse response of the system to produce the output signal from the system, or in other expression, the convolution is used to express the input and the output relationship of an LTI system. Thank you for watching. በቀጣይ በሌላ ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ መልካም ጊዜ